Are you facing these 7 problems with your volumetric flask? No compatible software. Poor quality glass. Meniscus marking error. Lost calibration certificate. Recalibration required. Packaging problems. Non-compliant certificate. Compliance guaranteed with caliber limbs and Glasgow QR Lab glass. Traceability of certification. Retrieve individual QR Lab glass smart flask certificates anytime during analysis. Achieve compliance by providing individual certificates for audit. Control and traceability of usage. Trace the usage of specific QR Lab glass smart flask for analysis. Easily get an account of frequency of usage of each QR Lab glass. Ensure control by picking and using prescribed glassware of specific volume in the analysis. Control usage of right glassware with system alerts and pop-ups. Inventory of glassware. Maintain inventory reports with caliber limbs glassware module. Take immediate action on alerts related to breakage, overuse, and low stock of glassware.